Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify rehabilitation services with Encompass Health step by step clearly. To verify rehabilitation services with Encompass Health, begin by visiting their official website. Locate the Find a Location option on the home page. Enter your city or zip code in the search bar. Review the list of nearby facilities that appear based on your input. Select a specific location to view details about the rehabilitation services offered. Check for information regarding the types of rehabilitation available, such as physical, occupational, or speech therapy. Look for patient testimonials or success stories to gauge the quality of care. Find contact information for the facility, including phone numbers and email addresses. Call the facility directly to ask specific questions about their rehabilitation services. Inquire about their accreditation and any specialized programs they may offer. Request information on insurance acceptance and payment options. If you prefer online communication, send an inquiry using their contact form. Make sure to provide your contact information so they can respond to your questions. Review any additional resources available on the website, such as service brochures or FAQs. Once you have gathered all necessary information, compare details with other rehabilitation centers if needed. Decide which facility best meets your rehabilitation needs based on your research. Schedule a tour or an initial assessment with your chosen Encompass Health location. During your visit, ask further questions and interact with staff to ensure a good fit. After your assessment, evaluate their personalized rehabilitation plan before committing. Document any important information and follow up as necessary to finalize arrangements. Trust that you have thoroughly investigated to make the best decision regarding your rehabilitation services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.